Hello! In this video I will show you how to bypass parental control on Honor Magic V3. So you have to start by opening your Google application. Now click on your avatar and now go to Google account. Then go to Data and Privacy and you have to swipe down. Now click on Delete your Google account. And here you have to enter your password. And click Next. Now you have to scroll down and check these two checkboxes and then click Delete Account. Now your account should be removed, so now let's open, for example, Google Play Store and then click Sign In. And here you have to enter your email address. Then click Next. And as you can see, my account is now deleted, so now I have to click Next to recover it. And now I have to enter my password. And then click I agree. Now I have to click Accept. And as you can see, my account is now recovered and my parental control is bypassed. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.